Imagine waking up one day and realizing that everything you've done online, your messages, your posts, your searches, isn't just stored but sold. Yeah, your data is a gold mine, and you're not the one cashing in. The internet you grew up with is broken. It's a playground where tech giants make billions while you get breadcrumbs. But what if I told you there's a way out? Welcome to Web 3.0, the internet where you take back control. Imagine owning your data, trading crypto without banks, and posting online without worrying about censorship. Sounds crazy? It's already happening. Decentralization, blockchain, privacy, it's all here, and if you're not paying attention, you're going to get left behind. Think back to the early days of the internet. Yeah, we're talking the 90s. It was like walking into a massive, static library with no librarian. Websites were just pages of text and images, and all you could do was read. No likes, no shares, no logins. It was pure information consumption, like flipping through an encyclopedia made of pixels. Web 1.0 was like visiting a one-way street. You couldn't interact, customize, or even comment. The internet back then was for information seekers and the occasional dial-up daredevil who wanted to explore hyperlinks. You clicked, you read, and you logged off. It was simple and boring, but it was the foundation of everything we know today. Most people didn't realize the goldmine they were standing on. Businesses were clueless about making money online. There were no influencers, no targeted ads, just a bunch of static pages strung together. The only thing dynamic was the sound of that dial-up connection. But that all changed with Web 2.0. And boy, it flipped the script. Suddenly, the internet wasn't just a dusty library, it became a wild, interactive playground. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram turned us from passive readers into active participants. We could comment, share, and even create content. The web was no longer read-only. It was read-write. This era gave us social media giants and data-hungry platforms. Ever wonder why your Facebook feed seems like it knows you better than your best friend? That's because Web 2.0 introduced data collection on steroids. Every click, like, and share fueled algorithms to give you content that kept you glued to the screen, and advertisers ready to cash in. Web 2.0 transformed the internet into a giant marketplace of engagement. We traded privacy for convenience, unknowingly feeding our data to tech giants. The internet became smarter, more personalized, but also more intrusive. We loved the interactivity, but little did we know we were becoming the product. And that's where things started getting dicey. Web 2.0 turned into a data free-for-all. We clicked I agree faster than we clicked skip ad, not realizing we were handing over our entire digital lives. Centralized companies like Facebook and Amazon started collecting everything. Where you shop, what you eat, even where you sleep. Yeah, they knew everything. You think your data is just for better ads? Nah, these platforms sell your information to the highest bidder and you become the product. Ever notice ads for tacos right after you mention them in conversation? Coincidence? Hardly. Your privacy isn't just compromised, it's packaged and sold. And the worst part? Most people don't even care, until it's too late. Data breaches, scandals, and creepy targeted ads became the dark side of Web 2.0. Remember the Cambridge Analytica fiasco? That's just the tip of the iceberg. Web 2.0 gave us convenience, but at the cost of total surveillance. It's time for a change, a revolution in how we handle data. And guess what? That's where Web 3.0 steps in. The digital revolution we've all been waiting for. Imagine an internet where you're not just a user, you're the owner of your data. No more centralized companies spying on you or profiting off your clicks. Web 3.0 uses blockchain technology to give you back control. Decentralization means there's no single point of control, no big brother watching over you. In this new era, your data isn't locked away in some corporation's vault. Instead, it's secured on a blockchain, distributed across thousands of computers. You're in charge of your information and no tech giant can steal it. This isn't a utopian dream. It's already happening. Platforms like Ethereum and IPFs are laying the groundwork for this decentralized future. Web 3.0 isn't just about freedom, it's about power. Power to control your digital life, power to choose what stays up and what gets deleted, and power to finally break free from the data stranglehold of Web 2.0. This is where privacy meets freedom, and once you see it, you'll never look back. So, where's all this Web 3.0 magic happening? Let's talk about real-world examples. Lens Protocol is like social media with a superpower. Imagine a blockchain-based platform where you own your profile, your content, and even your followers. No more waking up to find your account suspended for no reason. Your digital identity is portable and goes wherever you do. It's the future of social networking, where you're in control. Then there's Uniswap, the king of decentralized finance, DeFi. No banks, no middlemen, just you, your crypto wallet, and the freedom to trade anytime, anywhere. It's peer-to-peer trading on steroids. And if you caught my previous videos on what is DeFi or the Uniswap Vi 3 step-by-step guide, you know exactly how powerful this is. Web 3.0 isn't a theory, it's a financial revolution that's already changing lives. And we can't forget OpenSea, the largest marketplace for NFTs. Whether you're flipping digital art, snagging virtual assets, or building your own collection, OpenSea runs on blockchain tech that keeps everything transparent and secure. You don't need anyone to vouch for your ownership. The blockchain does it for you. These platforms aren't just concepts. They're proof that Web 3.0 is happening right now. But it's not just platforms evolving. It's how entire organizations are being reshaped. Now imagine a company with no CEO, no board of directors, and no shady backroom deals. Welcome to the world of DAOs, Decentralized Autonomous Organizations. Here, decisions are made by token holders, not by suits in an ivory tower. You own tokens, you get a vote. It's like a democracy on the blockchain where power is finally distributed. No middlemen, no gatekeepers, just pure, transparent governance. Let's say you're part of a DAO that funds new crypto projects. Instead of some executive deciding where the money goes, every token holder votes on the next big idea. The more tokens you own, the louder your voice. It's the internet's way of saying, let's all win together. DAOs are already running protocols, investment funds, and even virtual worlds. It's capitalism, but with a community twist. And here's the kicker. DAOs are borderless and censorship-resistant. They don't care where you live or who you are. You can be a 20-year-old in New York or a farmer in Thailand. If you've got tokens, you've got a say. It's the ultimate way to level the playing field. And as Web 3.0 grows, DAOs are going to reshape the way we think about power, leadership, and trust. Let's talk about one of Web 3.0's most powerful features: anonymity. In the Web 2.0 world, every move you make online is linked to your real identity. Your data, preferences, and even location are tracked, logged, and sold. But Web 3.0 flips the script. Imagine browsing, trading, and interacting online without anyone knowing who you really are. You're a ghost in the machine, and it feels damn good. In Web 3.0, your digital identity isn't tied to your real-world name. You could be trading NFTs on OpenSea or voting in a DAO, and nobody knows if you're John from Ohio or Maria from Spain. Your wallet address is all they see. This means more freedom, fewer risks, and a whole lot less surveillance. You control what you reveal, and to whom. But let's be real. Anonymity isn't just for privacy buffs or hackers, it's for anyone who values freedom. Think of it like a digital mask. You decide when to take it off. Want to stay anonymous? Web 3.0's got you. Want to build a public persona? That's on you. This kind of flexibility is going to change the way we interact online forever. And honestly, it couldn't come soon enough. Alright, we've just explored how Web 3.0 is flipping the internet on its head. No more tech giants treating you like a product, no more handing over your data for free. This is your chance to take back control, to own your digital life, and to join a revolution that's already changing the game. So, ask yourself, are you ready to break free from the old system? Are you ready to stop being a passive user and start being a digital owner? Because Web 3.0 is here, and if you're not in it, you're already falling behind. Start exploring decentralized platforms, join DAOs, and protect your privacy like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications. I've got more content coming your way to help you dominate Web 3.0. And if you're serious about mastering this new world, grab my ebook. It's packed with exclusive strategies, tools, and insider tips you won't find anywhere else. The link is pinned in the first comment. See you in the next video, and remember, take control of your data and your freedom.